Hey guys, my name is Chirag. I just contacted Roshan before 3 weeks of my driving test. I approached him and really got a good tips before the driving test, and I just took maybe 3 lessons altogether. I guess 6 or 5 hours. But yeah, it was a great fun learning with him, and the tips provided by him was fabulous and really did work for me during the test. And most of whatever we practiced, I just came across in the test as well. So I guys recommend you, if you have going through some difficulties or any other stuff, please contact Roshan. Roshan's is running first driving school. So yeah, thank you.
All right. Thanks, Chirag. And what was the which attempt was this one here?
I just forgot to tell you, this was my very first attempt and got passed with good marks.
Flying
So,
colors, yeah.
yeah, no.
Once again, congrats, Chirag. Thank you. Thanks.